Hi, this is Dr. Tom McFadden at Advanced Cosmetic Surgery here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're here to talk about what Coolsculpting is and how it works. And I have some illustrations here to show you. So, what Coolsculpting is, again, a way to reduce the fat non-surgically. It's really best for people that have very modest needs. They want to reduce a poof here and there, have a little bit of love handle, a little bit of muffin top, not too much. You can use it on your arms, your legs as well. You can even use it on your inner thighs and outer thighs. So most of us have a little bit of extra fat that we don't really want to have, and so if you want to really sort of tone down and get more of a hard body, then this is a way to do it. So in the illustration here, okay, here's the fat. The Coolsculpting freezes the fat, so it crystallizes. Those fat cells that are rapidly rewarmed then burst, and then they die. A portion of them die. About 20% of the fat layer dies. And then you end up with a thinner fat layer which is more evenly contoured, supposedly over your muscle. So here's some representative examples. This is 8 weeks after the Coolsculpting session. This fellow is better in the anterior abdomen, the lower abdomen, and the hips. Okay, this is another fairly slim lady. This is 16 weeks or 4 months after her second session. She has gotten rid of this shelf down in the lower abdomen, and she's nice and flat now. This is 8 weeks after the first session, 9 weeks after the second session. Again, good improvement here in the hips, in the lower abdomen, and even a little bit in the upper abdomen as well. This is 16 weeks after the second Coolsculpting session. And this portion of the lower abdomen that's a little poochy, a little muffin top, quite a bit better. There's even some improvement here in the posterior hip area. This is 8 weeks after the treatment of the hips, the lower abdomen, quite a bit better. This is after one session. This guy is a good bit better. 8 weeks after one session, in the love handles and again in the lower abdomen. He's nice and firm right through here. Okay, again, same here in the hips and the lower abdomen, 12 weeks or 3 months after one session. Okay, this lady had a nice result. This is very much flatter in the lower abdomen and even smoother in the hips as well. 12 weeks after the first session, 12 weeks after the second session. Okay, and a very nice improvement here. This is a pretty stout task here, but this is 16 weeks, 4 months after the second session. Very much flatter here in the anterior abdomen and much better here through the hips, even posteriorly. So these are some great examples. If you're interested in Coolsculpting, give us a call, 864-242-3223, or visit us at our website, www.advancedcosmeticsurgery-sc.com. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for the next video. Thanks.